Want a healthier, happier life? It all starts with a few simple steps in your home and community.
Sa bawat sandaling ikaw ay pinagmamasdan, may dumadapong kiliti na di maunawaan. Walang ibigtima bang kita sa aking isip, ikaw ang nagmamarka. Kahit mabitin aking salita, matay pinupunyag na sa'yo lang magpapangkin. Di pala lampasin o kasanang ko mawala. Di mawawala.
Cleanliness is your sked. Focus on frequently touch spot, wipe down, counter, doorknob, and switch with a good disinfectant. Use different rugs for different area to avoid spreading germs. We are a team. Keeping our community clean is a job for everyone. Join your neighbor to help keep public areas tidy. A little bit of effort from all of us makes a huge difference for all of us. Handle your trash correctly. Always tie your garbage bag tightly before you take them out. Make sure all leaving community bins are closed. This keep our street clean and keep pests away. Step 3. Protect yourself first. The best defense is washing your hand. Use soap and scrub for at least 20 seconds, especially after using the restroom, before you eat, and after you come home. A clean home means a healthy family. A clean community means a happy, safe neighborhood. Let's do our parts every day. Stay clean, stay safe.